The function of cleats in a roof truss is to prevent the purlins from tilting. The best location for damp-proof course is plinth level. The pointing, which is extensively used in brickwork and stone masonry work, is flush pointing. The most suitable flooring for dance halls is wooden flooring. A dog-legged stair connecting two floors with floor-to-floor height 4.2 meters with a rise of 15 centimeters. Then the total number of treads in that stair is 26. If the center of the arch lies on the springing line, it is semicircular arch. In batten and ledged doors, the battens are secured by horizontal supports known as ledge. The window offers extra space in the room and improved ventilation and admits more light from different directions. This window is known as bay windows. Dash shores is given to parallel wall, which have become unsafe due to the collapse of intermediate building. Hanging shore. The type of foundation suitable for underwater structures is pier foundation.